everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 24th to the 28th of April 2023 on Monday. The aftermath of Mazet continue to pile up. Skara worries about fatherhood. The MK isn't sure how to get Zibuko back on Tuesday. Stompit tells Sondo that Zibuko has buried Mazet. Sibongile says that she cannot handle motherhood on Wednesday. Zibuko starts a war in flames. Hlopsile meets Baby Sinqobile and is sold. Tumelo warms himself back into Gomora High again on Thursday. Zibuko's revenge plot sweetened with an unexpected turn of events. Nkosinathi gets out of the frying pan into the fire because of an unexpected guest. Sibongile and Baby's arrival isn't as pleasant on Friday. The Madida smells smoke and finds Sondo is locked in her room. Ntokozo gets a surprise offer. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.